Hey guys, Aubrey here. Today I'm doing the Eureka Math Grade 5 Module 5 Lesson 6 homework. So let's get started. Number 1, find the total volume of the figures and record your solution strategy. Alright, so A, we see two figures and we want to find the volume of the whole thing. So what we can do is label figure 1 and figure 2. But we're considering it all at one figure, but I'm just separating it. We can find the area of the first one and the area of the second one, and then add all the areas together. So again, I'm not area, oh my god, volume. Volume equals length times width times height. So first we need to find length and width and height of A. So our length we see is 13 up here, times our height is 2, and our width, if this is 2, then that means this is also 2. So 13 times 2 times 2 is 13 times 4, which is 52. So 52 is area of A. But now B, length is 5 times width is 2, but our height, if this is 4 and the height of this is 2, then the height of this figure is also 2. That's 5 times 4, which is 20. And now 20 plus 52 would be 72. So 72 inches cubed is our answer. So what we did to solve, I found the volume of both figures separately and added them together. Alright, and B. So here I'm going to label A and B. First, let's find the volume of A. Our length is 18, our height is 2, and our width, let's see, what's our width? Oh, up here, that's 3. So that's 18 times 6, because 2 times 3 is 6, and that's 108. And now for B, length is 21 times the width is 7, and the height is 9. So that's equal to, let's see, 21 times 7. That's 147 times 9, which is 9. 1288. 147 times 9. Wait, no, hold on. Wait, 09. And it's 1323. Oops. Okay. So 1323 plus 108. It's 11, 3, 4, 1431 centimeters cubed. So I found the volumes and added them together. Alright, now C. I'm going to do A, B, and C. So volume of A. The width for all these is 3. So we now need the length times the height, and then 3. So that's 24 times 3, which is 72. Now B, our length would be 11, because 8 plus 3 is 11, times our width of 3 and our height of 4. That's 11 times 12, which is 132. And now for C, 3 times 3 times 5 equals 9 times 5, which is 45. So 132 plus 72 and 45, it's 9, it's 14, and it's 2. So 249 millimeter cubed. So I found all the areas and added. Alright, now for D, I'm going to label this A and label this B. So volume of A, our length is 12 times our height is 9 and our width is 4. That's equal to 12 times 36. That's like 36 times 10, which is 360. Plus 36, that should be 432. Alright, and B, 10 times 2 times 2, because 11 minus 9 is 2, so that's our height. 10 times 2 times 2 equals 10 times 4, which is 40. So 432 plus 40 is 472. So 472 meters cubed is our answer. Again, did I write areas for this one? I found the volumes separately, and then I added Alright, now number 2, the figure below is made of 2 sizes of rectangular prisms. One type of prism measures 3 inches by 6 inches by 14 inches. So that measures 15 inches by 5 inches by 10 inches. What's the total volume of this figure? Alright, so 3 by 6. Okay, so number 2, this problem can be a little bit confusing, but what we have to do here is just kind of guess which measurements belongs with which. So we have one and that's 3 by 6 by 14, and one that's 15 by 5 by 10. So we're just gonna have to assume the taller one is the 3 by 6 by 14, because this skinny part should be 3, because if that part's so skinny, then that's like the width, and 3 is the smallest number here, and there's no part in this that's skinnier than that side. So, okay, this type, the tall type, is 3 times 6 times 14, but there's 2 of them, because there's only 2 types of figures, this type, the tall type, and the short type. So 3 times 6 is 18 times 14. So 18 times 14 times 4 is 32. 4 plus 3 is 7. And now we add 252. But I have to add 252 again because there's 2, remember, of the shape. So that's 504. Now the other figure, 15 times 5 times 10, 15 times 50, so that's the same as 15 times 5, which is 75. Add a 0 at the end. Now add the 504, 1,254 inches cubed. Alright, number 3. The combined volume of 2 identical cubes is 250 cubic centimeters. What is the measure of one cube edge? So 2 identical cubes. So what's the volume for 1 cube? 250 divided by 2, it's 1. 2, 5. So volume of each is 5. So we know volume is length times width times height. And the measurement for each is the same since it's a cube. So blank times blank times blank equals 125. So it can't be too big of a number since we're multiplying it by three times. But we know 25 times 5 is 125, and 5 times 5 is 25. So 5 times 5 times 5 is our answer. So the measure of one edge is 5 centimeters. Now number 4. A fish tank has a base area of 45 centimeters squared and is filled with water to a depth of 12 centimeters. The height of the tank is 25 centimeters. How much more water will we need to fill the tank to the brim? So it wants us to find the area of the empty space. We're already given the area, so now all we need is the height. So if the height of the whole thing is 25, but the water is already up to 12, then 25 minus 12 is 13. So that's the area of the box from the water to the very top. So all we need to do is do 45 times 13, because we're already given the area. So 5 times 3 is 15. 4 times 3 is 12, plus 1 is 13. Add 0, that's 5, and that's 4. That's 5, 8, 5. 585 centimeters. Alright, now number 5. 3 rectangular prisms have a combined volume of 518 cubic feet. Prism A has 1/3 the volume of prism B, and prism B and C have the same volume. What's the volume of each prism? So 518. Let's see, A is split to thirds to show. So C and B are a whole, and they're the same amount, but A is 1/3. So we count here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 thirds. So we can actually do 518 divided by 7. This is 7. And that would be 4. So area 1/3 is 74. So A is 74. And now I need to do 74 times 3 to get B and C, which is 12 and 22, 2. C equals 2, 2, 2. Oh wait, oops, I did it backward. So yeah. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this video helps. And please don't forget to like and subscribe because it really helps on my channel. See you guys next time. Bye!